सांत जसिंतो जुंव्यार कांय प्रमाणात घुसपागोंदळ जाल्लो, चुकीचो समज जाल्लो. मात स्वातंत्र्य दिसा निमतान भारतीय नौदल आनी जुंव्यावेल्या लोकांनी एकठांय मेळून तिरंगो बावटो हुबयलो. मात मुखेलमंत्र्यान एंटी नॅशनल उतर लोकांक वापरला ते चुकीचे म्हण थळाव्यांनी म्हळां.
No, that was the best thing that could have happened. A fitting tribute to the unity and the tricolor and the commemoration of the 75th anniversary of Independence Day. I'm sure this has put an end to the controversy, unsavory, unwarranted and avoidable controversy जी झाल्या लास्ट 2-3 दिसांपैकी. हातून लोकांनी दाखयले that politicians should not interfere in certain things. Leave it to the people. People are wise. People know what is good and what is bad. And I also not only thank the people but also thank the Indian Navy. They showed their maturity. They reached out to the people of the village, islanders, and they sorted out. And there was an amicable solution. I don't think so anything better could have been expected on this Independence Day. See, yesterday I condemned what the Chief Minister said. It was unwarranted because the Chief Minister is the head of the state. तू आवय बापोय, लोक बरे असता, लोक वाईट असता, घरान झगडी जाता, फायनली सगळे आम्ही एकूच. You are forcing the police to register complaints. You are calling them anti-national. Anti-national कोण? आयज पळय सगळे लोकांचे टॅक्स पेयरांचे पैसे चोरी करता. They are the anti-nationals. People, your own senior ministers are accusing Navy for objecting to illegality. That is anti-national act. When your ministers and MLAs are robbing the taxpayers' money, they are getting rich, not looking after the people. Pandemic am लोकांचे job गेले, इतलो मार पडलेलो आसा. That is anti-national activities. Today I would have requested the Chief Minister, you have to apply the balm. Balm लावपाक जाय. आयज दुखवले आसा मनीस. Everywhere rape, murder, crime, drugs, prostitution. बंद करूया. हात जोडून सगळे लोक along with the government, let's put an end, not bring differences for political advantage. This is my request and advice to the Chief Minister. You are the Chief Minister, act with maturity, we will hold your hand.
म्हणणे आहे की तुम्ही लोकांक हांगा मिसलीड केल्ले, तेजेर कितें उलयलें?
आमी लोकांक मिसगायड करूंक ना. आमी लोकांक बाराबर रावन चोय. हांव पयलो सुवातेर हांव गांवकार, ह्या जुंया वयलो पूत जे आमकां हो सगळो अधिकारी आहा. पूण जेन्ना जुंयार कोणूय तर येयलो, कितेंय प्रॉब्लेम जालो जाल्यार हिंगा आमी हाजीर आसता आनी हो हाजीर रावन आमी तेंच्या बरोबर रावन करता. मिसगायड कोणाकूच करूं ना. त्या लोकांनी म्हाका देखून खबर दिली, सांगलें फिलिपा ही भाशेन येवन आमचे नेवी मनीस येवन हिंगा फोणटा. ते फोणटा ते कित्याक फोणटा ते मातशें विचारया. जेन्ना एकूच मिसअंडरस्टँडींग म्हूण जालें हें तें जोरी नेवल ऑफिसरांनी जो नेवल अधिकाऱ्यांनी हेणें येवन तर आयज आमकां लेटर दाखयलोलें फ्रॉम द प्रायम मिनिस्टर दॅट मिसअंडरस्टँडींग हें जावचें नासलें. की सेलिब्रेशन तांकां करूं जाय जाल्यार बरे पद्दतीन सेलिब्रेशन करूं जाय जाल्यार आयज हिंगा केला न्हू, हिंगाच करूं जाय न्हू. लोकांच्या भाटान वचून करप हें रॉंग. सो ताका लागून हें मिसअंडरस्टँडींग आयज आमी काबार केलां. पूण जो एंटी नॅशनल जे म्हणलां तें मातशें एक चुकीचें. हें सीएमान हेजेर पयलें तर स्टडी केलोली केस बरी सामान हें घेयलोली, विचारून घेयलोली जाल्यार बरें पडटा.